What is a producer company? Most of India's economy is based on the agricultural sector. Around 60% of the population depends on agricultural activities to earn their livelihood. In order to address these Indian issues, the Government of India established an expert committee chaired by economist Y.K. Alag. They introduced the concept of producer companies to the Indian economy in 2002. They have since assisted primary producers in gaining access to inputs, credit, production, technologies, and markets. What is a producer company? A producer company is a legally recognized body of farmers, agriculturists incorporated with the aim to raise their standard of living and ensure a good status of their available assistance, earnings, and profitability. A producer company can be incorporated under the Companies Act 1956 by 10 individuals or more, or 2 institutions or more, or a combination of both 10 individuals and 2 institutions with any of the following business objectives: procurement, production, harvesting, grading, pooling, handling, marketing, selling, or export. Features of producer company. Members must be primary producers. Only individuals engaged in activities associated with or related to primary producers are eligible to participate in ownership. Name of the company shall end with the phrase Producer Company Limited. Limited liability. Members' liability will be limited to the amount, if any, unpaid on the shares. That is, companies with limited liability. Status. Upon registration, the producer company is treated as a private limited company for the purpose of law application and company administration. Maximum number of members. These companies are exempt from any restriction or limit on a maximum number of members. Specific provisions of Companies Act. A producer company is subject to the specific provisions of the Part 9(8) of the Companies Act 1956. Incorporation. A producer company can be incorporated by any of the following combinations of producers: 10 or more producers, individuals; 2 or more producer institutions, or combination of the above two. A minimum capital of Rs 5 lakh to incorporate a producer company. Share capital. Share capital of a producer company shall consist of equity shares only. Members' equity cannot be publicly traded but only transferred. Voting. If the members are only persons, voting rights shall be determined by the single vote for each member. If the members are producer institutions, then voting rights are determined on the basis of their participation. If individuals and producer institutions combine, then voting rights shall be determined by the single vote for each member. Director. Every producer company is to have at least 5 directors and not more than 15. A full-time chief executive should be appointed by the board and entrusted with substantial management powers as the board may determine. Conversion. It can never be converted into public company. However, it can be changed into multi-state corporate society. Benefits of the producer company. Members of the producer company get the bonus shares in the same proportion to the shares held by them. Each company member will receive a value decided by the director for the product or products pooled and supplied. The amount will be distributed either in cash or in the form of equity shares. This may be subject to conditions of the board. Members of producer company are also eligible for financial support in the form of a credit facility for a period not exceeding 6 months. The additional amount that may be remaining after providing provision for payment of limited return and reserves may be distributed as a patronage bonus to the members of the producer company. This will be in proportion to their participation in business activities, either in cash or through equity shares. I hope this video might help you give a clear understanding of the producer company and its benefits. Please post your queries, comments below this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. You can also call us at 8800221252 or email us at info@finacbooks.com. Thank you.